The filter function is a great Excel tool for getting a list of data based on the criteria in your Excel spreadsheet. I'll start here in cell B16. I'll say equal filter and tab it in. Here I have three arguments: array, include, and if empty. If empty is optional because it's in brackets, so I'll go ahead and focus on the first two here, array and include. Array is going to be the range I want Excel to look through for the filtered out products. So I'll choose from A6 to A13, comma. Include is going to be the range that contains the criteria for what products in my example are going to be filtered out, so C6 through C13. Now, anything in this range that has an X in it is going to be the criteria for which products are going to be filtered out in my list. So I'll say if C6 through C13 is equal to an X, because the X is what the data that marks the criteria. I'll close it out and push enter. And here Excel generates a list of filtered out items based on my criteria.